Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Wednesday hinted that new Covid-19 guidelines could be brought out in view of infections appearing in clusters and the possible scenario this month and in January next year. Speaking to the reporters, Bommai said, "Today I will collect details pertaining to Covid-19 in November from our officials, which would be presented before the cabinet tomorrow. Whatever is happening with regard to the Omicron variant and the developments taking place in Covid-19 clusters will be placed before the cabinet, and accordingly a decision will be taken on issuing a fresh set of guidelines." Asked whether he was mulling a new set of guidelines, Bommai said he has to keep the current situation in mind because Covid-19 cases are seen in only a few districts, whereas it is in control in other places.